Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0761 code indicates an issue with the shift solenoid valve C, which is designated as stuck in the off position. This error typically arises in Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017 when the transmission system fails to shift properly. The shift solenoid is an electro-hydraulic component responsible for regulating the flow of transmission fluid, enabling gear shifts. A malfunction in this solenoid may prevent the vehicle from engaging specific gears appropriately, leading to performance issues. The solenoid itself is located within the transmission assembly, specifically housed in the main valve body. This error should be diagnosed promptly to ensure seamless vehicle operations and prevent further mechanical complications. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0761, which indicates that the shift solenoid valve C is stuck off, is vital for maintaining optimal performance in your Honda Accord. Proper troubleshooting steps must be employed to accurately diagnose the issue, ranging from checking ATF levels to assessing solenoid functionality. Early detection of symptoms can prevent extensive damage and costly repairs, making the troubleshooting process crucial. Implementing a regular maintenance schedule, including fluid checks and inspections, can further aid in preventing similar faults in the future. Monitoring the transmission system and addressing issues promptly ensures that your vehicle runs smoothly and reliably for years to come. The shift solenoid valve C plays an essential role in a vehicle's automatic transmission system by controlling the hydraulic fluid flow necessary for shifting gears. This solenoid is crucial for enabling the transmission to smoothly shift from one gear to another, thereby enhancing vehicle drivability and performance. Within the Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017, the solenoid is located in the main valve body of the transmission assembly. A malfunction or failure of this component leads to the solenoid being stuck in the off position, which can hinder gear engagement. If not addressed, this could result in erratic gear shifts, decreased performance, and ultimately could lead to significant transmission damage. Identifying this fault early can help in preventing extensive repairs. Several potential causes can trigger the DTC P0761 error in your Honda Accord. First, low or contaminated automatic transmission fluid, ATF, might impede proper solenoid function, leading to erratic shifts. It's essential to ensure that the fluid level is adequate and that the ATF is free from contaminants. Secondly, a faulty shift solenoid valve itself can directly lead to the solenoid being stuck in the off position, preventing the vehicle from changing gears smoothly. Lastly, internal damage within the transmission, including issues with the valve body or clutch components, can contribute to this fault, necessitating a comprehensive inspection of the transmission system. Each of these causes should be carefully evaluated during the troubleshooting process to accurately diagnose and resolve the issue. You may notice several symptoms indicating the presence of DTC P0761 in your Honda Accord. The most prominent symptom is poor shift quality, wherein the vehicle may hesitate or jerk while attempting to change gears. Additionally, if the shift solenoid is critically malfunctioning, you might find that the vehicle does not move when attempting to engage reverse gear, which can be particularly concerning. Observing fluid leaks underneath the vehicle is another indicator, often pointing towards internal transmission issues. These symptoms suggest a severe transmission fault, which may warrant immediate inspection to prevent more costly repairs or replacement in the future. Paying attention to these signs can help prevent further complications. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0761 is to ensure the engine is warmed up to its normal operating temperature, at which point the radiator fan will engage. This step is crucial as transmission fluid properties change with temperature, which affects fluid flow and pressure. Once the engine is warm, check the automatic transmission fluid, ATF, to ensure it is filled to the appropriate level and not leaking. An inadequate fluid level or leaks can lead to inadequate pressure in the system, causing solenoid malfunctions. If any leaks are detected, they must be addressed before proceeding further. After ensuring proper fluid levels and the absence of leaks, you will need to drain the ATF through a strainer for inspection. The second troubleshooting step involves verifying the problem by using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. Begin by pressing the engine start-stop button to access the on mode. Once activated, clear the DTC with the HDS tool. With the DTC cleared, start the engine and test the vehicle by driving it in reverse gear. Observing the vehicle's response during this test is crucial. If the vehicle moves in reverse gear, it indicates an intermittent failure, meaning the system may be functioning correctly at this moment. If it fails to respond, the issue is replicated, warranting further investigation into the solenoid and transmission components. This step helps to confirm whether the problem is consistent or transient. In the third troubleshooting step, you will check the functionality of shift solenoid valve C using the HDS tool. Select the solenoid from the miscellaneous test menu and listen closely for any clicking sound during operation. A clicking noise indicates that the solenoid is functioning correctly, signaling that the issue may lie within other components, such as the reverse inhibitor valve or shift fork shaft. If no clicking sound is heard, it suggests a malfunction in the shift solenoid valve itself, which would necessitate its replacement. Should the solenoid function normally, further investigation should be conducted into other areas of the transmission, which includes assessing the main valve body for the reverse inhibitor valve and the regulator valve body related to the shift fork shaft. After completing the necessary repairs related to DTC P0761, it's essential to verify the effectiveness of the repairs undertaken. Begin by ensuring the vehicle shifts normally through all gears, including a thorough test of the reverse gear functionality. Take the vehicle for a drive under various conditions to ensure reliability and monitor for any signs of abnormal performance. Additionally, after conducting these tests, recheck for the occurrence of the DTC using the HDS tool. If the code does not reappear and the transmission operates smoothly, the repair is deemed successful. Document all findings and repairs made for future reference. Confirming smooth operation aligns with expected performance. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0761 and ensure a healthy transmission system, regular maintenance is key. Schedule routine checks of the automatic transmission fluid, ATF, to guarantee levels are appropriate and the fluid is clean and free from contaminants. Following the manufacturer's guidelines for fluid replacement is essential, as this will maintain optimal transmission performance. Additionally, conducting periodic inspections of the transmission system can spot potential issues before they develop into major problems. These preventive measures can significantly extend the lifespan of your vehicle's transmission and enhance overall drive quality, ensuring a smooth and reliable driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.